Today I'm using white jade noodle. It's called 白玉面, but you can use any type of noodles for this. Let's start by cooking the noodles using the packaging instruction. For this 白玉面, I need to boil it for 5 minutes. Okay, let's start the timer and then prepare the other ingredients for the noodle soup. Just like the name, the main ingredient will be tomato, egg, and noodles. The spring onion and coriander is for garnishing. If you don't like coriander, if you can't take coriander, then just leave it out. For the egg, we are going to make a simple omelette. So I'm gonna season this with a teaspoon of soy sauce and a little bit of white pepper powder. According to the packaging instruction, I'm supposed to rinse this with water. So I'm gonna do that and set it aside. So now we are ready to cook, and we'll start by cooking a simple omelette. Once the omelette is done, I'm gonna add in the tomato wedges, and I'll just gonna sear it for a while. I'm not gonna cook until it's mushy. Then add in roughly about 500 milliliters of hot water. Once the water starts boiling, then I'm gonna season the soup. I'll leave the description on the screen. You can refer to that. Now we're gonna add in the noodles, then we'll bring it to boil again. Lastly, we are gonna garnish it with the spring onion and coriander. And for Penang lang, of course, we have to add in garlic oil. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye!